Good morning, students. Welcome to our online classes. I am Miss Nikita Malkani, your third standard teacher from Saint Mother Teresa English School. Today we are going to start with English grammar. Before moving towards the lessons, let us revise some basic concepts. So, here we are with the English alphabet. Let us revise the English alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these are what? These are English alphabets. One question. How many English alphabets are there? Yes, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. How many letters are there? 26. Now let us move towards the vowels and consonants. So, which are the vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O and U. So, these are the vowels. How many vowels are there? 5. How many vowels are there? 5. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O and U. So, the other letters remaining in the English alphabet are called as consonants, such as B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So, these are all what? Consonants. Okay, let us revise again. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And the other remaining letters are consonants. Yes. Now, I hope everyone knows which are the vowels. Let us do an exercise. Question. Identify the vowels and underline it. In this words, you have to identify the vowels and underline them. First, C-A-T, cat. In this word, which is the vowel? Yes, it is A. Second, O-V-A-L, oval. Which are the vowels here? O and A. These are the vowels. After that, B-A-T, bat. In this, which is the vowel? Very good. It is A. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. In this word, which are the vowels? U and E. Everyone got the point? Yes. Next, D-O-G, dog. Which is the vowel here? O. P-E-N. In this word, which is the vowel? E. Next, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Which are the vowels here? O, A, E. Eighth, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. The vowels are? Oh, only one vowel, that is A. Everyone understood? So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Now let us move towards the English alphabetical order. The alphabetical order. What is this alphabetical order? Alphabetical order is the way in which A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H to Z are arranged is called alphabetical order. मतलब कि A से लेके Z तक अल्फ़ाबेट्स अपने एक तरीके में इन अ प्रॉपर ऑर्डर उस ऑर्डर में अरेंज्ड हो, सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. Understood? Let us solve some examples. See, BAT bat, DOG dog, COW cow, APPLE apple. So these words we have to arrange it in alphabetical order. So let us see. In English alphabet, first letter is, which is the first letter? Yes, it is A. So in this A comes, yes, A for apple. So what we'll write first? Apple. After A, what comes? B. Where is the B? Bat. We'll write it as bat. Then C. We'll write it as cow. And then the last one, D. And the dogs come here. Understood? Now let us solve the second one. Happy, sad, good, dad. Okay? How we have to do it? Alphabetical order. In this, इस question में A है, no. B है, no. C है, no. D, yes, we find the D here. So the dad will come first. E, no. F, no. G, yes, we are having G as good. So क्या लिखेंगे हम? G, good here. After that, G के बाद क्या आता है? H. So H for happy. We will write here happy. And after happy, the remaining one, sad. समझे? Very good. Let's solve the another one. Play, eat, sing, run. In this question, A is there? No. B? No. C is there? No. D is there? No. E is there? Yes. E is here. EAT, eat. What will write? Eat. After eat? After E, G. G is there? No. H? No. I? No. J? No. K is there? No. L? M? N? No. Then comes the P. P for play. So what will write here? Play. After play, P. Then Q. Q is there? No. After Q, R for run. So what will write here? Run. And after R, S. We came here with S, that is sing. Understood how we done the alphabetical order? This is how we do the alphabetical order. Understood? That is from A to Z we have to say, and whichever letter comes we have to write it in proper order.